Hello everyone, my name is Amit Raturi and I would like to share my experience as intern at inSAKE Solution Private Limited, and I would like to share my training experience. So first of all, we have been given modules and we have to complete it within the specified time, and in the module we were learned how to perform fundamental analysis. We also learned to perform the technical analysis, and we perform fundamental analysis of various companies, and after that we prepared equity research report and industry report, and we also perform financial modeling, and task was given to us to perform the financial modeling of Google, and after that we learned the basic of investment banking, and also prepared the merger and acquisition report. And after the completion of our modules, we were given the live assignment where we needed to perform the fundamental analysis of 15 companies, and also we performed the financial modeling of 8 companies, and in the end we also performed the merger and acquisition report of 8 different companies. So altogether it was very informative, and we learn a lot about finance in a very simple manner. And that's all from my side. Thank you.